So let's do question number 40. Hong has $4,000 to invest. She invests $2,000 at a rate of 2.5 percentage per year in simple interest, and she also invests $2,000 at a rate of 2% per year compound interest. Find the value of each investment at the end of 8 years. Okay, let's find out. So first they have given, we have simple interest. Okay, so first find out the simple interest value after 8 years. So total amount. Okay, so you have to find out the total value. So simple interest, we can find the interest by using the formula PNR. Okay, so what is PP? Is the principal amount she invested 2000 times N is the number of years, how many years she invested, 8 years, times R is the rate that is given, 2.5. You can directly use the percentage sign from the calculator, otherwise you can write 2.5 divided by 100. 2.5 percentage is same as 2.5 divided by 100. So use the calculator. 2000 times 8 times fraction button, 2.5 divided by 100, or 2.5 percentage directly. So you will get 400. Okay, so 400 is the interest. So total amount, what will be total amount? Total amount, she invested 2000, she got 400 as an interest, so 2000 plus 400, so the final amount after 8 years will be 2400. Okay, $2,400. So simple interest investment will be 2,400. So now we will find for the compound interest. Compound interest, you can find the final amount directly by using the formula. Amount is equal to principal times 1 plus r over 100 whole raised to n. So what is the principal is same as 2000. 1 plus, what is the rate? Rate is 2%. So 2 over 100 raised to n. N is the number of years, so for 8 years. So take the calculator, press 2000, open the bracket, 1 plus fraction button, 2 over 100, or directly take 2%. Then take the x and power, so power 8. So we'll get 234 2343.3187. So here you can, it is a money in dollars, so you can round and write in 2 decimal places. Okay, the next number is more than 5, so you can add 1, so 31 will become 32. So the final amount is 2343.32. Why we are writing in 2 decimal place? The amount is in dollar. Okay, so I hope question number 14 is clear. This part is clear, so we'll move to the second part. Okay, find the overall percentage increase in the 4,000 investment at the end of year 8 years. So how to find the percentage increase? Percentage increase is difference over original times 100. Okay, difference over original times 100. So what is the difference? Difference means how they got, how much they got after 8 years. Let's find out. 2400 plus 2343.32. Instead of that you can just press answer. Okay, so the total amount is 4743.3187 after 8 years. Okay, I just added these two. Okay, then minus, I didn't take this answer, I just took this answer. Okay, then minus 4000 is the investment amount. Okay, so that is the difference over what is the original value. Original they had the same 4000 times 100. Okay, here everywhere you can use answer button. Here you can just press when you calculate this part, use fraction button. Then this is already we have the answer in the calculator, so just press answer instead of typing that. Minus 4000 divided by 4000 times 100. So we'll get 18.58296. So here this is just a percentage. So round and write in 3s. The next number is more than 5, so add 1. So 18.6 percentage. Okay, 18.6 percentage. I hope this question is clear. I think we have one more part for this. Okay, find the number of complete years it takes for the compound interest investment of $2,000 to become greater than 2,500. Okay, this is actually you can use it here. We have to find the value of what number of years. Number of years is small letter n. I will write the formula, that is the total amount. Total amount is P times 1 plus R over 100, because they have mentioned here raised to n, it is compound interest. Okay, so we have they invested $2,000, so P is given. Then the the final amount has to become more than 2,500. That means this amount has to become more than 2,500. We already checked for how many years we checked already. We checked already for 8 years. 8 years it hasn't reached 2,500, right? So it will be more than 8. Let's see the same percentage you have to take from here, 2% in compound interest. Okay, so it is the continuation of previous question. So you can use the R value as 2 from the first part. So amount we don't know, so P is 2000 times 1 plus R is 2 over 100 raised to n. N also we need to find. So take your calculator. Okay, then press 2000, open the bracket, 1 plus fraction button 2 over 100, close the bracket, power 8 we already checked from the previous one, right? So 9. So check the answer. Answer is 2390. So we need more than 2500. So take 10. It is 2400 something. No, I need more than that. So take 12. Yes, 12 is more than 2500. So just check for 11. 11 is less than 2500. So it will take more than 11 years. More than 12 years to become more than 2500. Okay, so the answer is 12 years. It will take more than 12 years. Like 11 years means it is just 2400 something. So it has to reach, it has to complete the 11 years and it has to be more than 12. Then only we will get 2500 something. Okay, then Alain invests 5,000 at a rate of R percentage per year compound interest. At the end of 15 years, the value of the investment is 7,566. Find the value for direct question, but we just need to rearrange the equation. So first I will write the equation for compound interest. A is equal to P times 1 plus R over 100 raised to n. Okay, so what is the final amount? Final amount is given here, 7,566 equal to principal amount is 5,000. Open the bracket, 1 plus R, we need to find it, so just keep it like R, then raised to n is 15. Okay, so first move 5,000 to left side. So left side will become 7,566 divided by 5,000. How it became divided by? Here it is 5,000 multiplied by some bracket or some number, right? So when you move a multiplication number to left side or right side, it will become division. Multiplication will become division. Division will become multiplication. Okay, then I'm doing okay, I will show you step by step, don't be confused. Okay, 15. So now you can move this power 15 or index 15. So if you are moving square, it will become square root. Okay, or just square root. If you are moving cube, okay, if you have x cube, if you are moving this cube, it will become cube root. So it is power 15. So when you move power 15 to left side, it will become 15th root. Inside this root, you need 15. So 15th root of 7566 over 5000 equal to what we have now. No need of bracket, just write 1 plus r over 100 because there is a power, that's why they put bracket. Okay, now you can move 1, so 1 will become minus 1 because it is 1 plus. We are adding 1. So addition number, when you move it will become subtraction. So it is better you can write, write 15th root of 7566 divided by 5000. Outside the square root it is minus 1. Okay, plus 1 became minus 1. So be very careful when you check the calculator. In the calculator this minus 1 must be outside the root, not square root 15th root. Okay, r over 100. Now this divided by 100 we will move, it will become multiplied by 100. So we have 15th root of 7566 divided by 5000. Then outside the root we have minus 1. Then divided by 100 will become multiply, put a bracket. Okay, so multiply by 100 will be r. So now take the calculator, open the bracket. How to take 15th root? 15th root, you can see x and power, right? So x and power, so press shift and that x and power. So you can see everything in yellow, that if you want anything in yellow, I'm using Casio FX991 ES Plus, in which if you want anything in yellow color, you can see the shift, that shift letters they wrote in yellow. So if you want anything yellow, first press shift, then you press yellow. So open the root. So you can see two places are missing there. So 15th root of, you have a fraction, use fraction button, 7566 over 5000. Then outside the root, okay, make sure it is outside, you have to put minus 1. Then close the bracket. Then we have to multiplication multiplied by 100. So directly you will get the answer 2.7999 like that. I will show you. You will get 2.79999 like 38 like that. Okay, so you can round and write. So we need three significant figure. So 9 will become again 10, or you can just see 79 will become 80. So the final answer is 2.80. Okay, so the rate is 2.80. The steps are easy, you can directly do all the steps in a single one. But if you didn't understand, or if I made you complicated, sorry, or I just showed all the steps for you, what is happening, how we are finding r, I showed everything step by step. That's why so many steps. If you're once you are okay with this, you can do it very fast. Within all the movements, you can do within in one step itself. Okay. I hope this question is clear for you. So question number 14 is over.